In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Stremio Error Code 1. If you're running into this error, don't worry. In most cases, it can be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. We'll go through the process carefully, starting with the easiest fixes first, and then moving on to a full reinstall if needed. First, open Stremio on your device. Since you're already signed in, this helps you quickly check whether the error is still happening and also makes it easier to confirm that the app is installed and launching properly before making any changes. If you're using Stremio on a desktop, the next thing to do is update the app. Open Stremio and look for any update prompt. If one appears, make sure you close the app before starting the update, then install the latest version from the official website. Running an outdated version can sometimes cause compatibility problems or trigger errors like this, so keeping the app updated is an important first step. If you're on mobile instead, open your device's app store and search for Stremio. If you see an update button, tap it and let the latest version install completely. Once that's done, try opening the app again. For Android users, if the error is still showing, the next step is to clear the app's cache. Go to your device settings, open Apps, select Stremio, then go into Storage and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may have become corrupted over time, and it often fixes app errors without affecting your account. If clearing the cache doesn't help, stay in that same storage section and tap Clear Data. This is a deeper reset of the app, so it removes locally stored app information and gives Stremio a clean start. This can be especially helpful if the error is being caused by damaged app data. If the issue still isn't resolved, the next step is to reinstall Stremio completely, whether you're on desktop or mobile. Uninstall the app from your device, then restart your device before reinstalling it. After the restart, install the latest version again using the official source on desktop or your app store on mobile. Reinstalling helps replace any missing or broken files that may be causing the error. Once the reinstall is finished, open Stremio again. Then sign in to your account and give your library a moment to sync fully. It's a good idea to wait until everything loads completely before checking whether the error is gone. With these steps, you should be able to fix Stremio Error Code 1 and get back to using the app normally. Thanks for watching.